Hey there, tech lovers. Welcome back to our channel, your go-to destination for smart solutions and gadget reviews. Today we're diving into the world of smart vacuum cleaners, the ultimate game changers for keeping your home spotless without lifting a finger. Whether you're looking for cutting-edge navigation, powerful suction, or innovative features like self-emptying bins, these smart vacuums have it all. So stick around as we unveil the top 3 smart vacuum cleaners of 2025 that are taking the cleaning game to the next level. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and activate the bell button. Let's get started and find the perfect cleaning buddy for your home. 1. eufy G30 Plus Robot Vacuum. The eufy G30 Plus vacuum cleaner offers a smart and comprehensive cleaning experience for homes, combining high efficiency and modern technology, in addition to the self-emptying feature that makes it an ideal choice for those looking for convenience in daily cleaning. The most important features and characteristics. 1. Self-emptying feature. The eufy G30 Plus has a large-capacity automatic emptying station that allows the vacuum to empty its contents immediately after each cleaning session. It reduces the need to empty the container manually, as it can store dirt for up to 30 days. 2. Smart Dynamic Navigation 2.0 technology. It relies on an advanced navigation system to determine the best paths during cleaning, ensuring comprehensive and accurate coverage of the area. More efficient than traditional random navigation, saving time and energy. 3. Powerful suction. Equipped with a motor with a suction power of up to 2,000 pascals, making it very effective in picking up dirt, dust, and hair from floors and carpets. It works excellently on different surfaces, whether hard floors or carpets. 4. Slim design. Its slim design makes it able to clean under furniture easily, ensuring access to areas that are usually difficult to reach. 5. Integration with smart applications. It is controlled using the eufy Home app, which allows you to schedule cleaning sessions, track the status of the vacuum and the areas covered, adjust cleaning settings easily. 6. Voice command support. Supports voice assistants such as Amazon Alexa and Google Assistant, allowing you to give voice commands to turn it on or off. 7. Long battery life. It comes with a powerful battery that provides up to 100 minutes of continuous cleaning. It automatically returns to the charging station when the battery is low. 8. Advanced sensors. Equipped with advanced sensors that prevent it from falling down stairs or hitting furniture. Dirt detection technology increases cleaning focus in the dirtiest areas. Disadvantages. Price. The cost may be a little high compared to traditional vacuums. Empty capacity. Although a great feature, users with very large homes may need to empty the station more than once a month. Ideal use. Suitable for families looking for convenient cleaning solutions without daily intervention. Ideal for pet owners thanks to its high hair pickup capacity. The eufy G30 Plus is an ideal investment to save time and effort while ensuring thorough and effective cleaning. The self-emptying feature makes it an indispensable choice for people looking to reduce their daily household chores. Whether you are looking for convenience or advanced technology, this vacuum offers the perfect combination of both. 2. ECOVACS DEEBOT T30S Robot Vacuum. The ECOVACS DEEBOT T30S is one of the latest and smartest robot vacuums available on the market. It combines advanced technologies with practical features that ensure exceptional cleaning of homes. Thanks to artificial intelligence technologies, precise navigation, and the self-cleaning feature, the T30S offers a complete cleaning experience that suits modern homes. 1. Auto Empty Station. Equipped with an automatic emptying station with a large capacity of up to 3 liters, allowing dirt and dust to be stored for up to 60 days without the need for frequent manual emptying. The closed container ensures that dust does not fly away and the air inside the home is protected. 2. Ultra-high suction power. The suction power reaches 5,000 pascals, making it ideal for removing the finest dirt and pet hair, whether from hard floors or carpets. 3. True Mapping 2.0. Based on advanced LiDAR technology that provides accurate space planning. Able to recognize furniture and obstacles, allowing for effective coverage of every corner of the home. 4. Mopping function. Equipped with a smart water tank and advanced mopping system, allowing it to deeply clean floors. It has a water level control feature to suit different types of floors. 5. AI-powered obstacle avoidance. Artificial intelligence technology enables it to recognize obstacles such as wires, toys, and children's shoes to easily avoid them. 6. Integration with smart systems. Compatible with Alexa and Google Assistant for voice control. ECOVACS Home app allows customizing cleaning maps, defining restricted areas, and setting cleaning schedules. 7. Long battery life. Equipped with a battery that lasts up to 3 hours of continuous operation, making it ideal for large homes. Automatically returns to the charging station when the battery is low. 8. Multi-floor cleaning. It can store multiple floor maps, making it ideal for multi-story homes. 9. Quiet and environmentally friendly cleaning. Its design reduces noise during operation. It consumes low energy, making it an environmentally friendly option. Disadvantages. High price. It can be relatively expensive compared to traditional vacuums or some other robots. Requires regular maintenance. Like other robot vacuums, you need to clean the brushes and filters regularly to ensure optimal performance. Ideal use. Large homes, thanks to the long battery life and self-emptying. Pet owners, thanks to its high ability to remove hair and dust. Busy people, as it reduces the need for manual intervention. Compared to competitors, the ECOVACS DEEBOT T30S excels in suction power, precise planning, and self-emptying capacity, making it an advanced option compared to many other vacuums such as Roborock or iRobot Roomba. The ECOVACS DEEBOT T30S is an exceptional choice for those looking for thorough and efficient cleaning without any hassle. Thanks to artificial intelligence, self-emptying, and superior suction power, it provides a complete cleaning experience that puts user comfort and cleaning quality at the forefront. 3. eufy Robot Vacuum Omni S1 Pro. The eufy Robot Vacuum Omni S1 Pro offers a qualitative leap in the world of automated cleaning, combining amazing suction power, advanced smart technologies, and a multifunctional cleaning system. With its modern design and practical performance, this vacuum is an ideal choice for those looking to have a clean home without hassle. Key features and features. 1. Comprehensive cleaning system. Vacuuming and mopping. It is characterized by its ability to combine suction and mopping at the same time. Equipped with a smart water tank that allows precise control of the water flow to ensure safe and effective floor mopping. It removes stubborn dirt and stains, making it ideal for hard floors and tiles. 2. Advanced Auto Empty and Auto Mop Washing Station. The charging station automatically empties the dirt container and washes the mop after each cleaning session. It allows the user to significantly reduce manual intervention, as it can store dirt for up to 60 days. 3. Super suction power. Suction power up to 6,000 pascals, making it one of the most powerful robot vacuums on the market. Ideal for picking up dust, debris, and pet hair from carpets and floors. 4. AI navigation. Relies on advanced LiDAR technology to determine the best paths and navigate around the house with extreme accuracy. Equipped with AI technology to avoid obstacles such as wires and small objects. 5. Custom cleaning zones. Through the eufy Home app, you can specify areas that need cleaning or those that should be avoided. Enables customizing cleaning schedules based on your daily needs. 6. Multi-floor mapping. Capable of storing multiple floor maps, making it ideal for homes with multiple floors. Allows you to navigate between floors easily without having to reset. 7. Extended battery life. Equipped with a powerful battery that lasts up to 4 hours of continuous work. Ideal for large homes or open spaces. 8. Integration with smart systems. Supports voice assistants such as Alexa and Google Assistant to provide a convenient and easy control experience. Can be fully controlled via a smartphone app. 9. Sleek and functional design. Its sleek design makes it able to reach difficult areas such as under furniture. It comes in modern black or white to match your home decor. Disadvantages. High price. It may be expensive for some users compared to traditional vacuums. Large station space. You may need a dedicated space to install the vacuum and washing station. Periodic maintenance. Like all smart devices, it requires regular cleaning of brushes and filters to ensure optimal performance. Ideal use. Large homes. Thanks to the long battery and self-emptying process. Pet owners. Excellent for hair removal thanks to its powerful suction power. Busy users. Reduces the need for manual intervention thanks to its automatic cleaning features. Compared to competitors, the eufy Robot Vacuum Omni S1 Pro outperforms many competitors such as iRobot Roomba and Roborock in terms of suction power and automatic mopping technology. Suitable for users looking for a fully fledged, high-performance robot vacuum. The eufy Robot Vacuum Omni S1 Pro is a smart investment for those looking for a comprehensive and easy cleaning of their home. With smart features and advanced technologies such as self-emptying and automatic washing, this vacuum provides a convenient and hassle-free cleaning experience.